Maxer, can you crawl to Mama? Come here. Come here. Where are you going? Where are you going, Max? Where are you going? Come to Mama so I can give you a big smooch. Come here, Max. Come to Mama. You are such a good little crab crawler. Oh my gosh. Look at Max, he's crab crawling.
Crab crawl?
He's crab crawling. Say go, Max.
Yeah, Lex. He's our crab.
There he goes.
I take the picture.
You take the picture? Okay.
Yeah. How